Are you looking to find how to use Turbo and Yubo? Well, Yubo comes packed with a tons of feature like fast ads and Turbo and pixels and many more. Using Turbo lets you be visible to a number of people within a certain period of time. Well, basically Turbo is like boosting a post so that your profile will be shown to the given number of people first during swipe. Now, how do you use Turbo on Yubo? Hello everyone, welcome to How to Guide. In today's guide, we're gonna see how we can use Turbo on Yubo. Now, it's pretty simple. Just launch a Yubo app. Once you've done it, there is a Turbo icon near the bottom of the right hand side. If you click on it, you have an option to increase your visibility and appear fast in the swipe for 5 minutes. If you want to increase the time, you can select this 5x and it will be up to 25 minutes. And same for 10x and 30x. Choose the one of your choice and then launch Turbo. But do remember that this is a paid feature. So for 1x, that means getting 1 Turbo per day, will require 250 U-Bucks. If you don't have enough U-Bucks, you can always click on this coin icon at the top and buy the required number of U-Bucks through Google Play or App Store, whichever app store you are currently in. Alright, now you know how to use Turbo and Yubo. I hope you have a great time and have fun using Turbo. If you found this video helpful, do give this video a big thumbs up. Still have any questions? Do leave them in the comment section. Until next time, bye bye.